Good afternoon, my name is Yi Queenie. Today I will be presenting a scientific phenomenon about roots begun, the screwdriver makeover in short time. First, have you ever picked up a tool only to find it's covered in roots? Roots doesn't just make tools look old, it weakens them, shorten their lifespan, and can even pose safety risks. But what if we use simple kitchen ingredients to restore them? Today we will explore how apple cider vinegar and natural, affordable solutions can dissolve roots through chemistry. Let's start. What is roots? Roots is that funky reddish brown stuff we see on metal tools. It's iron oxide, created when iron reacts with oxygen or moisture, a process called oxidation. The equation shows these reactions. Here's the time lapse. Show how the roots may remove. We took a rusty screwdriver and submerged it in an apple cider vinegar for 5 hours. We can watch the roots disappear in fast forward. It's an engaging way to show a slow process in actions. The video starts with a rusty tool submerged in apple cider vinegar. Notice the bubbles. This is the acid actively reacting. Then over 5 hours, the vinegars dissolve the rust. We see the color change. Finally, wipe it clean. The tool will return it original. The key component in apple cider vinegars is acetic acid, which plays a crucial role in dissolving rust. When the vinegars come to contact with the roots, a chemical reaction occurs, breaking down the roots. The acetic acid reacts with iron oxide, transforming it into an iron acetate. This process makes it much easier to clean the rust away. To use this method, simply soak your rusty screwdriver in apple cider vinegar for several hours. After soaking, screw the screwdriver with a brush to dislodge the rust. Then dry it thoroughly to prevent rust again. And here is my experimental results. If the apple cider vinegar is not allowed to soak on the stain long enough, it may not fully dissolve or remove the dirt. Also, if the stain have been present for a long time, they may have penetrated the mantle surface, making them difficult to remove with just apple cider vinegar. To conclude, this time-lapse turned a rusty screwdriver into science lessons. It's fun, visual, and shows how chemistry fixes everyday issues like rust. Next time people spot rust, may think of vinegar or other materials or method to solve it. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you.